Dear students, today we will see Physical Science Model Question Paper 4 of Madhyamik 2025. I have asked question like you doing Madhyamik. Now we will see the exam rules. First 15 minutes only for reading question and remaining 3 hours for writing answers. Full marks 90 for regular candidates. Introduction to candidates 1. Modest and abbreviated answer will be given special value. 2. Marks may be dropped in case of scribbling, untidy handwriting. Direction. For regular candidates, the question of group A, B, C and D will have to be answered. Now you can take note. Command us to get answer to the question. Now we will see the group A question. 1. Multiple choice question for alternative answer are given for each of the following. Question. Write the correct one. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. Each question marks 15. 1.1. Which type of solar radiation is used in solar cooker? Option A, gamma ray. Option B, infrared ray. Option D, ultraviolet ray. Option D, visible light. 1.2. In which scale temperature never negative? Option A, Fahrenheit. Option B, Celsius. Option C, Kelvin. Option D, all of this. 1.3. Amount of CO2 obtained when 12 Gc reacted with 32 GO2. Option A, 1 mole. Option B, 2 mole. Option C, 0.5 mole. Option D, 4.4 mole. 1.4. If coefficient of superficial expression of a solid is x, the coefficient of volume expression will be option A, x by 2. Option B, x. Option C, 3 by 2 into x. Option D, 3x. 1.5. Light passes from air to glass for which color among red, blue, green and violet the reflective index of glass will be maximum? Option A, red. Option B, blue. Option C, green. Option D, violet. 1.6. Radius of curvature and focal length of a spherical mirror are R and F respectively. What will be the relation between R and F? Option A, F is equal to 2R. Option B, F is equal to R by 2. Option C, F is equal to R by 3. Option D, F is equal to 3 by 2 into R. 1.7 Fundamental principle of AC dynamo is option A electric induction, option B electric magnetic induction, option C self induction, option D Fleming's right hand rules. Which of the following relation is not correct regarding electric power? Option A P is equal to V into I, option B P is equal to V square by R, option C P is equal to I square R, option D P is equal to I square R. Within atomic reactor there occurs option A controlled nuclear fusion, option B uncontrolled nuclear fusion, option C controlled nuclear fusion, option D uncontrolled nuclear fission. In which group in periodic table halogen occurs? Option A 15, option B 16, option C 17, option D 18. Question number 11. Which one have high boiling point through it is convent compound? Option A C6H6, option B SiO2, option C C4H10, option D CO2. 1.12 In case of electrolysis of water, what will be have volume ratio of gas produced in cathode and anode? Option A 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 1:1, option D 2:3. Which one is the catalyst to be used in Haber process to produce ammonia? Option A AmNO2, option B PT, option C Fe, option D Cu. 1.14 The process of extension of metal from ores in option A reduction, option B oxidation, option C oxidation, reduction, option D none of these. 1.15 Example of alkene is option A C2H6, option B C3H6, option C C3H8, option D C2H2. Now we will see the group B question. 2. Answer the following question. Alternatives are to be noted. 1 into 21 is equal to 21. Each question marks 21. 1. Question number 2.1. Give the example of a non-convertible energy source. 2.2 Which layer of atmosphere does control temperature and water cycle in Earth? 2.3. Which one is highest temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 100 K? .4. In the relation is equal to W by M RT, M is unitless. Is it true or false? .4. Or what is the volume of attractive force between gas molecules of perfect gas? .5. There occurs displacement of particles of the medium during convection of heat. True or false? .5. Or write the relation of coefficient of linear expression in calculus scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. 2.6. What is the volume of focal length of a plane mirror? Question number 2.8. If blue light is cast on a red rose, then the rose appropriate dash color. Fill in the blanks. 2.8. When EMF is induced in a closed coil. 2.9. By which metal the coil of electric iron is made up? 2.9. Or on which factors the specific resistance depend on? 2.10. Atomic mass number of a element A. If this element emits beta particle, what will be atom mass number? Question number 2.11. Match left and right columns. Left column and right column. Okay. Question number 2.11.1. Left column alkali meter in 4th period. Right column A Cl. 2.11.2. Elements having maximum oxidation power in 3rd period. Option B addition reaction. 2.11.3. Left column in case of started hydrocarbon. Right column C K. Left column 2.11.4. In case of unstructured hydrocarbon. Right column D substitution reaction. 2.12. Covalent compounds are soluble in dash. Fill in the blanks. 2.13. In which electrodes the -VE ions moves. 2.14. Which type of electric current is used for Electrolysis. 2.15 Which metals are present in bell metals? 2.16 Give the two example of biodegradable polymers. 2.17 Give example of smallest alkene. 2.18 Write the formula of the periodic which is obtained in third stage of reaction between chlorine and methane. Now we will see the group C question. 3. Answer the following question. Alternative are to be noted. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Each question marks is 2. Example in brief the causes of greenhouse effect. 3.2 A balloon have air in volume 0.8 L in 950 mm of Hg pressure. What will be the volume of air in the balloon if process became 760 mm of Hg, temperature remains same. 3.2 question or calculate the volume of 22 g CO2 at 27 degrees Celsius temperature and 380 mm of Hg pressure. C is equal to 12, O is equal to 16, R is equal to 0.082, L atom Kelvin inverse by mole inverse. 3.3 Why dentist used convex mirror? 3.3 or what do you mean by absolute reflective index of glass is 1.5. 3.4 Under which condition in a conductor Ohm's law will be applicable? 2.5 Number of electrons of two elements A and B are 9 and 12 respectively. What will be the formula of the compound obtained from A and B? Show electron dot of the compound. Question number 3.6 Which one is more stable, Na or Na plus, and why? Question number 3.7 Why it is recommended to have phase of water to I when ammonia likes? 3.7 or why catalysts are used in very fine granules in case in industrial preparation of SO3 and NH3. 3.8 What is thermate mixture? Give one use of it. 3.9 Ethylene is a unsubstituted component. Show this with a chemical reaction. 3.9 odd question. Give two difference of organic and inorganic compounds. Now we will see the group D questions. 4. Answer the following question. Alternatives are to be noted. 3 into 12 is equal to 36. Each question marks is 3. Question number 4.1. What do you mean by absolute zero? What is its volume in Kelvin scale? Value in Kelvin scale. State Avogadro's hypothesis. Question number. What will be the volume of CO2 gas at STP that can obtain by heating 50 G CaCO3 to obtain some value of O2 gases? STP what amount of KCl O3? Solid to be heated. Ca is equal to 40, C is equal to 12, O is equal to 16, K is equal to 39 and Cl is equal to 35.5. 4.2 or what amount of H2SO4 requires to obtain 1.85 G H2 gas by reacting with impure zinc? Given impure zinc is 75% pure. Question Zn is equal to 65.4. 4.3. Write the reaction of real and apparent volume expression coefficient of liquid. Which one is intrinsic property of liquid? Give one use of bimetallic strip. 4.4. Show with diagram reflection of light through a prism. Write the relation of angle of deviation. What is a stretching of light? Sky in daytime appears blue. How can you explain it with stretching of light? Or in which position a convex lens can from virtual image? Show with diagram. 4.6. State Lenz's law. Calculate the ratio of heat the produced when to a current passing through a conductor in 50 seconds and in other similar conductor 0.5 a current in 1 minute. 4.6 or when 360 C Coulomb charge press through a conductor in 2 minutes. What will be the current? Define a physical resistance. 4.7 What is fuse wire? What is use? Constituent. What is its constituent? In which combination a fuse wire is connected in a circuit. 4.7 or what is 1 BOT? Calculate the unit of current displayed when an electric instrument of 20 kilowatt runs in 10 hours per day during 30 days. 4.8 Write reaction between mass defect and bending energy. Write 2 use of radioactive isotope. 4.8 or what is nuclear fusion? Defined chain reaction. 4.9 State Mendeleev's periodic law. How atom reduce charge in periodic table. Give an example which is not a periodic property of elements. 4.10 During electrolysis of water, why some amount of acid or salt is to be added? What will be the electrolysis to be used in case of nickel plating on iron? 4.11 What do you mean by nitrogen? How can you produce it? Give one use. 4.11 or how SO2 can be converted to SO3 when H2SO4 is produced by contact method. Give condition and equation how H2SO4 can be obtained from SO3. 2.12 What are the main component of LPG and CNG? Which one will pollute air more when used as fuel or fuel of car? 4.12 or what is homologous series? Give UPAC name of following: CH3CH2CH2OH and CH3COOH. Physical Science Model Question Paper 1, 2, 3. English version are given in this channel. You can check. To the student of 2025 Madhyamik, your exam is good. Thank you.